green seasoning sauce. This is very good in any meal. I love to put it. You can use it as a marinade, whatever you like. I even like to put it in Alfredo sauce. That's how good it is. So what you need for this is some parsley. This is a couple of bunches here of parsley, couple of cilantro. I have like 6-8 green onions, 4 celery stalk, 1 yellow onion, 1 red onion. I like to have some of my vegeta spice, which is a blend of veggies. I also have about 10 cloves of garlic. I have 2 jalapeno peppers. I have like 10 sticks of thyme. I have some mini peppers. You can use any peppers you like. I got those mini ones. And here is about 2 cups of spinach and about 1/4 cup olive oil I like to use. So what we're going to do, we're going to chop up those and put them in a blender and blend, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so now we're gonna chop those. You don't have to chop it too small because it goes in the blender anyway. So just like this, in half would be okay. Okay, even the garlic, I'll do it in half. Now the onions. I like to do it like this in 4. Parsley, just like this. Green onions. The red onion. Celery. Those thymes, you don't want to put it with a stick, so you're gonna take each and just go like this. Try to get the leaves only. The spinach, just throw it in here. Now we're gonna start and put all this veggies chopped up in the blender and mix, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you just grab I will have to do it multiple times to be able to fit everything, but the more you blend, the more liquid will become. That's about enough. This, what you want to add, it's the oil, the 1/4 cup oil. And I like to add my vegeta seasoning. This is optional, but I like to use it because it's all veggies inside. So just a couple of sprinkles there. And we'll add some water. I put like a 1/4 cup here. I put a little bit. And that depends, the water you can put as much as you like. You can do it a little bit more liquid or more creamy. It's up to you how you like it. Now we're gonna go ahead and press on. And as this fills up, you can transfer it to a separate bowl. And then we continue this until we finish everything to blend. And now we're adding more. And you repeat the same process. I like to make a little more at the time, and you can keep it in the fridge for a week or so, or you can freeze it. You can put it in Ziplocs and freeze it. You can put it in a jar, and it can stay maybe up to 2-3 weeks. Even if it changes color in the freezer, it doesn't matter. The taste will be the same, the flavors. It will just oxidize, but the flavor will be the same. I think that's about enough. So now we add more water. And we repeat the process. And you want to use a spoon and kind of push everything in. It gets stuck. And then do it again. There you have it, the green seasoning. This is how my texture looks. You can do it more as a sauce, more liquefied. That depends on how much water you put as needed as you desire. But I like it, I like it like this. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Bye-bye.